Hi friends, I am a huge fan of the Harry Potter universe. I have read the Harry Potter books several times and watched the movies more than 500 times. More certainly, I have watched the Harry Potter Part 3, that is The Prisoner of Azkaban, more than 300 times. Then I lost count. Why I like Harry Potter? There are so many reasons. The main reason is the character of Harry Potter. Harry Potter is a genius. The first reason was his parents. His parents were very gifted. His mother Lily was the favorite student of every teacher in the high school. And James, his father, though notorious, was also a talented man, talented student. He turned into an animagus when he was studying in the school. So, from gifted parents, we got gifted son. The second reason, his trauma with Dursleys. Life always teaches us lessons through pain. The Dursleys gave Harry so many problems and trauma. From these traumas, Harry learned his lesson. That's why he became talented. Third reason, he chose good friends. Many say that without Hermione, Harry wouldn't be able to solve all the problems. This is half true. Harry himself was very talented. Look at his humorous comments. Look at his relationships. If he were not talented, we wouldn't like the Harry Potter series. No doubt, Hermione was very talented too. She was a very gifted witch. Without her help, Harry wouldn't accomplish all the achievements. And many forget that Ron Weasley is also a talented boy, talented wizard. See, in the first book, he won the wizard's chess, which is very difficult. So, his friends helped him a lot. Not only his friends, Dumbledore, Snape, McGonagall, they also backed him. That's why Harry could become a great problem solver. And fourthly, he was a nosy boy. He was interested in others' lives. That's why he could gather information, whether hiding behind walls or hiding under invisible clocks. And fifthly, and most importantly, there was a piece of Voldemort in him. There was a Horcrux of Voldemort in him. That's why he could speak to snakes. That's why he could do impossible things possible. And we know Voldemort was a very talented boy. Voldemort was a very talented wizard from his boyhood. That talented piece of Voldemort was also in Harry Potter. Harry Potter's talent plus Voldemort's talent combined together made Harry Potter great. Thanks.